Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have got something special for you. We are going to talk about money plants decoration ideas that are not only easy but also budget friendly. Whether you are a seasoned plant lover or just getting started, these ideas will add a touch of greenery and positive vibe to your home. So let's dive in. Let's start with an easy and attractive ideas are hanging money plant display. Get a cool hanging planter or a macrame hangers. Put your money plants into it, hang down in a beautiful way. Hang it close to a window or in a well light spot for a extra charming look. These ideas not only save space but also bring a bit of nature into your home. It is a simple way to make your living space look nice and cozy. So find a pretty hanger, put your money plant in it, and let it hang for a stylish touch to your room. Get ready to turn these empty glass bottles or jars into a cool home projects. Take a bottle or jar, fill it with water and put your money plants cuttings inside. It is not just about making things look good. This way you can actually see the root growing. It is like a front row seats to nature show. This DIY ideas is awesome because it lets you showcase your money plant in a simple and earth-friendly way. Plus, it is minimalistic, meaning you do not need a lot of stuff to make it look fantastic. So grab those bottles, get creative, and enjoy watching your money plants thrive in its new water-filled home. Creating a mini garden in a glass container is super fun. Try making a money plants terrariums by using a see-through jar. Start by putting pebbles at the bottom of drainage, add a soil on top and place your money plants in the jar. To make it extra special, decorate with pretty stone. You have got your own little green paradise right in your home. It is like bringing a piece of nature indoors, and it is so easy to do. So get creative and enjoy your new charming money plants terrariums. Get creative your money plants by turning into a living wall art piece. Simple arrange small potted money plants in a cool pattern on a wall mounted crates or frames. It is not just about looks. This living artwork also freshness up your home. You are in control of the design, so let your imagination run wild. There are endless possibilities. This DIY project is a fantastic way to add a touch of nature to your living space while letting your aesthetic side shine. Plus, it is super easy and budget friendly. So, grab your plants, pots, find a spot on the wall, and let's turn your home into a green masterpiece. Discover the magic of hanging glass orbs for a stylish money plants display. Take cutting of your money plants and place them inside these clear orbs. Hang them by windows or from the ceiling, allowing sunlight to dance through the glass, creating a stunning interplay of light and shadows. It is a classy and sophisticated way to show off your money plants, adding a elegant touch to your home decor. The transparent orbs not only showcase the beauty of your plants but also create a captivating visual effects. Elevate your space with this easy and chic decoration ideas that bring a touch of nature indoors. So there you have it, 5 simple and creative money plants decoration ideas that anyone can try at home. Whether you are a plant aesthetics or just want to liven up your living space, these ideas are sure to bring a touch of nature and possibilities into your home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our green inspiration.